Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the Lewis structure of orthosilicate. It has a chemical formula of SiO₄ -4. Let us count the total number of valence electrons for drawing its Lewis structure. We have one silicon atom having 4 valence electrons, 4 oxygen atoms having 6 valence electrons, and this -4 charge here represents gain of additional electrons, and that gives us a total of 32. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place silicon in the center and arrange 4 oxygen atoms around it. Then we will place 2 electron pair between each atom for bond formation. Now as you can see, each oxygen atom needs 6 electrons more for completion of octet, so we will assign 6 electrons to each oxygen atom. Also, SiO₄ is an ion, so we will enclose it within a bracket. This way we have used all our valence electrons and every atom has complete outer shell. We also know that the sum of formal charges must be equal to the overall charge on the ion. So let us calculate the formal charge on silicon and oxygen atoms. For silicon, we have 4 valence electrons minus 0 non-bonding electrons minus 8 bonding electrons divided by 2. That will give us a formal charge of 0 on silicon. For oxygen, we have 6 valence electrons minus 6 non-bonding electrons minus 2 bonding electrons divided by 2. That will give us a formal charge of -1 on every oxygen atom. Thus, there are a total of 4 oxygen atoms. Thus, the sum of formal charges will be -4, which is the overall charge on the ion. So, this is the final Lewis structure of orthosilicate. And for more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.